Welcome. This is Stitch and Moan with Kitty. I am here with my leather work. I am trying to make myself a square and hexagon tray, leather, double-sided. So double-sided. I recently got finished gluing. It's nice and dry. I'm here to make some creases, put some rivets in, and have you join it. So I've decided I know I have different shapes. I use the same leather, slightly different sizes. This is a 10-inch in diameter hexagon. This is a 7-inch square. I've decided I'm going to use brass rivets for my hexagon, and I will be using a antique browns finish, brass finish for my square. So I have my rubber mallet. I have my push pull it, and I don't have my hammer. So let's get the hammer. And let's get folding. So, first things first is we got to I have my hardware out. So, 4 corners, just so you guys have an idea what the color it looks like. It has a flat side, as you see, and then it has a bit side. So flat and a bit. That's my, so here we go. Have a mallet. Move you more gracefully over here. Crease it nicely. Where are we gonna, so after we place the crease, we gotta figure out where we're placing the rivet. How far on the end, or how close, or how far out are we placing it, depends on how deep this tray is going to be. And then after we put the rivets in, I'm going to do some shaping as well. But we're gonna do both and then shape at the same time. Or rivet this one, rivet this one, and then we shape. Shape is its own step. I'm not gonna keep going back and forth. So hammer it all, shape it all. Okay. There's my ruler, 6-inch ruler. Let's go for it. We'll put it at the inch mark. Here's my scroll. I have that there, but then when I fold it, so rivet's gonna go through both of these. I don't know if it's gonna be thick enough, but we'll find out the hard way. Or, no, it'll work. Okay, it'll work. Okay. So we're going to put a mark at we're going to do it to 1 inch. 1 inch, 1 inch. So, oh, this is going to be difficult. Trying to figure out how to get that hole punch in. Okay, we're going to crease that nicely. Push that, pull that there, and then here. There we go. It's leveled even. There we go. Ouch. I have not even made it through the first one. I gotta put a little bit of oomph into it, I think. Okay. Guess what I'm doing? I'm drilling. tried it the hard way. I'm not doing it. Okay. Now, let's see if I have the bit for it. What size bit is this anyways? This is a 3.5 millimeter. 3.5 millimeter. 5 millimeters. 1/8 of an inch. Okay. All right. There we go. I think I found it. Let's see if I can pull. I think I found a drill bit that will fit the same size diameter that I'm working with here. There we come on. Go pull that one out so I can get this one. Actually, they're the same size. Screw it. They're the same size. I'm not gonna worry about it then. So, what do I have in now? Less than diameter. Okay. On the tray. Okay. I fixed one dilemma, but created another. You need to hold still. Okay, I started it there a little bit. Let's start it a little bit on the other side as well to achieve equal hole. Let's go. Okay, 1 inch. In the middle. There. Made a mark. And now let's go down. It off. Do it again on the other side. Oh. Okay, so got it through. A little bit of ingenuity and perseverance. It was obtained. Okay, we'll leave that alone. We'll leave that alone for a moment. All right. Here we go. Let's see if I can place this through the hole. Let's try it again. All right. No. Not gonna fuss. Screw. Ho ho ho. Okay. There. Drill the holes a little bit better. There. Come on. Ah. Through one. And where is... Push through the other side. And then, ta-da! And then we just spin, 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 spin. So right now I'm only dry fitting the hardware. This isn't the final set. Just dry fitting, so as I put it together, we know what I'm looking at and how hard it is to put the next one through. Okay. Line it up. 1 inch from the edge. In the middle. Okay, let's see a little hits at it just to. There we go. Good little dent. And then I'll slip on the other side. Make another good little dent. Oh, it is not going to have to say it has some strong leather. Wow. There we go. All right, let's do it again. All right. How do I want this going? We'll do it that way, yeah. Come on. I just sat there and I drilled a hole right through you. I know you're there. At least I know it's gonna be snug. Okay, so more drilling. Let's go forget. There we go. I think I will get, oh, there it is. There we go. So, hardware is through. All right, let's pull that jazz out of the way. Stick my awl through one more time. And let's thread. All right. I got a pretty taco holder. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Nice, beautiful creases. Mold it, stretch it, make it yours. All right. Alrighty, baby. Okay, I am 1 inch in the middle, straight down. If this was softer hair, softer leather, it'd be going through, but it's far from it. All right, let's get the other side. There, at least I've made a mark. Maybe not a substantial mark, but I can work with it. Now, let's get drilling. Let's flip it and do it again. Oh, lovely. All right, it's coming along. Okay, the other side. For inside for consistency. I just had it. Did I draw? Oh, there it is. Woo. So, after I get this one in, I am going to call it a day. Just based off the time, I gotta make some supper. And don't forget to like, subscribe, check out my YouTube channel, and always posting. I'm always on TikTok, always creating. So please check me out. All right, come on. Turn the fan down just a smidge. Come on. Oh, I have to say, this strong, stretchy furniture leather. All right, there we go. Finally. All right. Let's say, here we go. Oh, darn. Come on. There you go. Wait a minute, I'm not gonna stop. Okay, let me finish this and then I'll get off. My idea is coming together. I just don't want to stop. There we go. Let's say this is at other side. Okay, that's looks about right. Just a small dent. Now let's get to drilling. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh. Didn't want to drill into that. Nope, this side. Alrighty. Let's see if I can get the hardware in. Nope. Alrighty. There you go there. And come on, there we go. Ta-da! It looks like a bowl right now. Okay. Okay, so this, let me mold it a little bit more so you have a little bit better idea before I get it wet and stretch it and mold it more properly with better creases. This is just a soft crease to get a general idea for you and I in the interim while I work on the hexagram tray as well. That one's gonna be a little more complex, a little more, gotta think that one, be more careful with that one, delicate. So here we go. My cute little leather tray. All right, now that we have made rough draft of this, this is next. I wanted to spin it, but it didn't work out so well. Nah. Okay, so this one's gonna be a whole lot more technical. I'm definitely gonna have to this is gonna be the first crease. I'm gonna put 2 on these, one on each side here. Probably to the 1 inch mark as well. Fold it again, and then fold it again. Okay, so right now my hand's a little tired and I'm hungry. So this is Stitch and Moan with Kitti. Like, subscribe, and have a great rest of your day.